answers. I'm going to be reading the introduction about the main idea and summary right now. After that, you are going to be clicking the boxes and you're going to be writing your answer in these boxes right here. So let me read it to you. In this lesson, you will learn how to summarize a text. A summary includes the selection's main idea and most important details. The main idea answers the question, what it's about. Details are small bits of information. Tigers can grow up to 11 feet long is a detail. The most important details support the main idea in a selection. When you are writing a summary, first decide on the main idea and the selection that gives information. The main idea tells what the author is saying about the subject. Use your own words to explain the main idea. Once you know the main idea, look at the details. Decide which details are the most important. Which details describe the main idea? Which details don't matter as much? Could a detail be taken out without changing the overall selection? If so, it's probably not a very important detail. Summaries restate the main idea and the most important details. Summaries can help you figure out the order of events in the things that you read. If details include an order of time from the beginning to end, that is called chronological order. And what you can do is we first make the main idea, we find important details, which then help us create a summary. Remember, when we look for details in the text, we don't want an interesting detail, we want important details. We don't want sprinkles, remember? We want important details. Same thing with summary. In our summary, we want the main idea stated first and then the important details that follow in a paragraph. Okay, so your first question is, what should a summary include? I just told you a main idea and details in chronological order or logical order. And it says, what is the main idea and what are details? If you look over here in the text, it tells you right here what they are. So, if you need to, re-watch this video or reread the selection. And remember to escape and then to double-click to write your answer. Okay? Bye, guys.